Sure. Okay, it's working, Aisha. You know,
Does it work?
Confirm working. Yeah, try out. Two ladies over there. Demo. Live demo. Now I shall take over the role of moderator. Please do not disturb the guy. I'll have some fun. Okay, you know what? The best way to actually show it to you is if I can be a girl. You guys are. No, if you guys actually come with me, let's say tonight there's a party going on. I think it's Plaza 3 or something. I can actually show it to you how you can actually open up lots of stuff and whatnot. I used to say, think about it's not always about, girls and whatnot. It's about you guys. Let me finish, Devin. Okay, it's always about meeting people to me and sort of connecting with them. And obviously meeting a lot of awesome women. There you go. I mean, if you guys really want to learn about it and whatnot, I had this book. It's by a new show. It's called Rules of the Game. It's sort of like a 30-day program and whatnot, and I kind of like coach guys, improving the game and whatnot. So after this, if you actually ask me for it, I have a PDF file and I'll send it over to you. Alright? One stop. Is it? Pick up what? I mean pick up artist. Pick up artist. He's a pick up artist. Kage, flag. I'm not. I will go on that. Oh, Ronnie. Pick up artist too. How to pick up inventor? Okay. More of a shameless not many than anything else. I presented this idea during Startup Camp. So this is what we're going to do. You guys know Barcamp, you guys know Startup Camp, there's Barcamp JB. Now, have you guys heard of startupweekend.com? No. Right?
Yeah, startup is a weekend.
So, what Startup Weekend is, it's actually a non-gay. What's wrong with me? Not that I am. Right, so anyway, Startup Weekend. So we're launching a thing called the Eureka Weekend. Right? So what that is, it's based on the Startup Weekend concept. So what that is that for 3 days, from Friday evening all the way to Sunday evening, we get a group of people together and you guys build a startup within just 2.5 days, right? So in terms of the type of people that we expect to have, it's not just techies, it's not just programmers, it's designers, project managers, business people, marketers, or anyone who just wants to experience how to build a startup. Yeah? So the end goal is that by the end of Sunday, you would have at least released version 1 of your product online. Yeah, exactly. So, Eureka Weekend.
Is it happening?
It is happening. It's happening. We're doing it after Chinese New Year. February something. Yeah?
URL.
Thing is, okay.
www.malaysiaentrepreneurs.com.
No, yet. So, the key, the thing is, those who arrive and who work on that startup during those 3 days will get what is called founder equity, which is around 30% of the company, and then spread equally to everyone. And those who want to take it the next step further,
Who's that for 30%?
Wait, I'm not done yet. Okay. Those who want to take it the next step further, like actual commercializing the product or whatever, you get the balance of equity, right? Okay. So that again, it's just a loose structure. It all depends on the person who's actually involved in the project. Why? Okay. Right. Right. So again, what sort of project would you be working on? It depends on you guys. It depends on whoever is attending. You pitch your idea. whatever you decide to work on, collectively, you guys work on it then.
Yeah, I think you also might do something like the investment too. Like you should chip in some money if they want.
Yes. Yeah. So we're lining up a few investors as well. They're pretty excited about the concept. So yeah, that's it. Keep your eyes and ears out. Eureka Weekend. URECA. Very good.
Hey guys, I think most of you guys are developers and gamers. Right. Do you guys really believe that to become a successful entrepreneur, do you need huge funding? Do you need capital or anything? Answer for you. Actually, it's not that. The thing that for you guys to get funded or to become successful, not really 100% successful, but to sustain, is understanding the field area that you guys are involved in. If you guys want to become an entrepreneur, to decide to become an entrepreneur, what you need to do is understand the needs of your customers, understand the needs of the technology that you want to develop, and look at your expert area, the skill set area. It doesn't have to be a full-fledged IT technical knowledge to get funded from the MDEC or Barcamp or the other funders under Minister of Science. You just need to understand the field area and your expert area. That's it. Look at Daniel. He doesn't know what he's doing. I mean, you guys know what he's doing.
Alright. I'm setting up a website. I'm setting up a website called whatdoesthebusinessdo.com.
Okay, I ask you. You guys have known Daniel. He's very popular. But do you know what he's selling? I'm giving you an example.
What is about Daniel?
It's the iPhone, okay?
Oh my god.
Alright. So that's it, my partner. Thank you. Objection. I have no idea what to talk about. We do overall. You know what? I thought it was streaming. What?
It's streaming. That's right.
Why you
Yeah, on the slide.
Okay, first thing, whatever I do, I use it.
You're already guilty now.
Alright, the beauty of being innocent. Alright, today, okay, this is my like how to okay. How to ban, why you should ban rules? The topic is why you should ban all the rules, not flex your muscle. No, rules, ban rules. Ban okay, currently it's a problem in my company where I have some software. So it's company policy is that you know it's going live right from it online that you're updating all these things. Fine, you can't find me there. Alright! What's your boss's name? What's the email address? Alright, but the problem is that we got problem that people don't have software, we need something to be done fast, real fast. Alright? So here's the rule. Company policy says you do not install licensed software. Computer, alright? License of my computer. So the rule is that you say anything about you didn't say anything, you can sue, that's what they mean. So in a software first, they can job first. So one thing is you can ban rules, install open source software. So it's allowed really copy it, like it's based on license agreement. That you're allowed to copy it from your computer, install it, and it runs through. So what you do, ban the rules, install software on it, done, get the job done. So